Chris Davis with your New Miracles Tech Minute. Today we're going to talk about PC maintenance. Now, you probably say, PC maintenance, what do I have to do with PC maintenance? Well, let me tell you a little thing about PCs. Most PCs will run fine until we get on them. And commonly what causes the machines to slow down? Web utilities. Most of the time, free web utilities. If you've ever been on a site and it says in order to go to this site, click here, you have to install some application in order to use their site. Unless it's a very known, reputable site, be mindful about doing that. There are a lot of spammers and spoofers who put these applications on their website which are designed to steal information off of your PC. Commonly you see this on free music websites and sites you should not go to, like pornography. Stay away from those. They are trouble. So just want to let you know that that's one of the things to do with PC maintenance. Also, defragmentation of your hard drive. When your hard drive gets fragmented, files kind of go all over the place. But they should be in a little tight area. And so by defragging, you grab all those files and you bring them back so when the hard drive goes to access them, it can get to them quicker. It's kind of like if you had something in your house and you set it down on the table and you set another part down in the bedroom and you start looking for it. You got to go all over the place to find them, and it just slows it down. Versus that little coffee table right by the front door that's for the stuff you need when you walk out. All you got to do is go to one area. It's really quick and fast. That's the same things that happens with your data. So make sure you defrag your drive, and do not install a lot of these free web utilities unless they're from a reputable company, because if not, it could cause your PC to slow down and cause you some nightmares. Thanks again. This is Chris Davis with your New Miracles Tech Minute.